We can all agree that the most prominent problem people face now is the high temperature. Without us realizing it, this kind of temperatures affects the intensity of cooling appliances, especially air conditioners.
As mentioned earlier, the overuse of AC can produce high carbon emission, which ultimately leads to global warming. Do you all agree that we find it hard to sleep at night without AC? Yes, right? I bet you all agree. So, what can we do to solve this problem?
We're here to introduce you to our solution. Meet CowB, Cool Warm Blanket. This isn't a regular blanket. It's a unique blanket that can comfort us either in hot weather or cold weather without necessarily using AC or even the heater. This is a good idea to reduce carbon emissions as we reduce the use of AC.
Now, you must be wondering, how is that possible? Based on our literature study, researchers from Stanford University have created a fabric that can warm or cool to maintain a comfortable temperature for human skin. Have you ever heard about Professor Yutri from Stanford University?
He found another way to make the fabric work properly by using different materials such as copper coating, polyethylene, and carbon coating. Therefore, we decided to apply the idea to make our special blanket. But how do we make it?
Well, let's begin. Firstly, I'm gonna show you our sketch of the blanket. I need to tell you that 2 layers of material with different heat energy releasing abilities were stacked, then sandwiched between layers of cooling polyethylene. On this side, a copper coating traps heat between the polyethylene layer and the skin. On the other, a carbon coating releases heat under another layer of polyethylene. Secondly, when the copper layer faces out, the material traps heat and warms the skin. But when the fabric is reversed, with the carbon layer facing out, it releases heat, thus keeping the wearer cool.
If people wear blankets made of fabrics like this, our rooms probably won't need air conditioner anymore.
You can say no to AC and reduce the carbon emissions.
CowB at night